Hello guys and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial we're going to look at how to import scripts on Murf AI. Now let's begin. Initially on any browser of your choice, go to Murf AI. Sign in if you already have not. Once you've signed in, you will be viewed by something like this. Now we just need to create a project. Click on this button that is Create a Project and go to Video. For now, I'm simply selecting blank. You can select from whichever one you want and create a project. On the left panel, if you scroll down, you will see something like Import Script. If you simply click on it, it will prompt a pop-up from which you can drop files or select files. Let me simply upload a script that I had previously created. This is the script I generated. Now I simply click on it and select Open. The script is uploading and being processed. Now it will ask us if we want to split scripts by paragraph, don't split sentences, split script by sentences, or don't split at all. The choice is up to you. You can select whichever one you wish, and if everything is okay, simply click on Import Script. If I scroll up, I can see all the scripts that I had written in the text document here. Now I just want to play it, so I select this Click to Build Preview button. Now that everything has been processed, I can simply play the video.
Title: Rise Above. Scene 1. A serene sunrise over a misty landscape.
Well guys, I can import a script like this. And another option I'd like to add is the voiceover. Simply click on it and upload any files that may be MP3 or MP4. Let me select one. We need to select the language the video is in. It's in English, so let's continue. And once the video has finished uploading and processed, you will be viewed by something like this. You can see the text generated from the speech. You can simply play it.
I usually wake up early, around 7 a.m.
This is another one of the methods to import scripts from videos. Well guys, that's it for the video. That is how you import scripts on Murf AI. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.